Go ahead.
So what it's called, it's the wayfarer's prayer, correct? When you're traveling?
Yeah. What's that? Wayfarer's prayer. Yes. Wayfarer's prayer. Yeah.
Okay. So when we leave, we do the trip, say the prayer. Now, on the return trip, do we say it again? Or does that one time cover it, going and coming?
You usually say it only once. So if it was planned, for example, you go into somewhere to the park, right? So you went to the park, you spend your day in the park, and then you're going back, return from the park with the kids. Okay, so it's actually the same trip. So you need to say it only once. But if you traveling like continually, for example, you came to the city A, right? You spend the night, and in the morning you travel to the city B. So it's not and then your final destination is city C, right? So in this case, you would need to say every day in the morning, since it's a different traveling time. So you would need to say different blessing. But going back and forth, it's the same trip. It's not two separate trips. Okay. Any other questions?
So every time you stop until you reach the destination, you say it.
No. I mean, what was I? If during the day, if you stop to eat, to have lunch, you stop to go to the bathroom, it's the same trip. You don't say. If you stop, if you have multiple day trip, then you say every day.
Okay. So like me, for instance, I go out days at a time for work, so I have to stay, at certain places. So I have to stay the night there, and then in the morning say the prayer again.
Yes,
correct?
Yeah, it's totally different trip. Next morning, it's totally different trip. So, but most of the time we say only one blessing during the day, because it's same trip. Even if you stop in different places, does not make any difference.